fixing to take a test drive on a 1955 Ford Fairlane. We just consigned this car. Man, this thing drives like a dream. We'll pull into the park, take a few pictures, and I'll tell you all about it. Alright, we got a beautiful 1955 Ford Fairlane 302. All the chrome and stainless is in very good condition. All the paint is in mint condition. We'll check out this interior. This is an original 53,000 mile car. This car's got a brand new 302. It's got a Bronner carburetor, vintage heat and air. It's been converted over to disc brakes, aluminum radiator. Super nice driver. Check out this AM radio. It works, we just can't pick up a station. Check out all these beautiful gauges here. Of course, it's got aftermarket vintage air, ice cold, 63,000 original miles. All the gauges work. Let's take this baby for another spin. Look at this headliner in this car. It looks brand new. The interior's in good shape. Transmission shifts like it's supposed to. It's a 3-speed on the column. This car's got a brand new 302 motor in it. Less than 800 miles on the motor since it's been built. Transmission's been gone through, rear end. We'll get up here and we'll get on her. Speedometer works, lights work, wipers work, heat and air works. I think everything on the car except for the original clock works. Alright, we heading back to Chipwin Classics. We got shipping, we got same day financing. Car scared me, sorry. I didn't know if I was going to get run over there. check us out at chipwingclassics.com. We've got several classic cars on our website. Don't forget to get on YouTube, like us, and subscribe. You can call me at 270-443-1728. I'll be glad to tell you anything you want to know about any of our cars. Thank you. Have a great day.